Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going through the Rigid Pro Pack WD 4522. Basically it's a compact, portable, it's relatively light, about 10 pounds-ish. Vacuum cleaner. Primarily this is going to be set up for detailing. My other one didn't fit in a cabinet. What's nice about this is it should fit on a shelf. Plan on putting in a cabinet like one of my Gladiator cabinets, that one or that one, depending on how it fits. Mainly want something that I can hide away, more compact storage than some smaller 4.5 gallon ones that fits on wheels. Long term, I want to get a more higher powered one that's gonna mount on the wall, maybe say right there next to my pressure washer. But for now, I want to try this out, see how it is. So all these attachments over here, this is an adapter kit. I'm gonna just tell you real quick if you need it or not with this. And then this is the auto detailing kit that they sell. The part number on that is VT2534. So I'll put the links in the description below from Home Depot. I bought this with my own money. The Home Depot links are not affiliate links, so buy it if you wish. It's not going to help me out, so just appreciate a thumbs up on the video if I helped you out. So basically what I wanted in the detailing kit is you got to understand that there's got to be, for the compact size and the price, it's like 80 bucks. It's not going to have everything you need. So this basic dry vac has 2 extension tubes. There's a little bit of thought in the design here. Let's see, push this in. It doesn't always open up well. I don't know. If you pull up on it, it's got real nice storage for the attachments that it does come with. But with the detailing kit, I'm not going to really use that because the detailing kit's set up for smaller diameter, which should give you a little bit more suction power. So what I plan on doing is this has a spot for the hose and stuff. Everything fits in real nicely if you're going to use the attachments that comes with this, but from a detailing perspective, it's not long enough hose for getting into cars. If you want to carry this around corner to corner, yes, you can get the job done, but it's not going to be the best. I can't remember what the detailing kit costs. I think it's around 20-25 bucks. Not too terrible, but what that gets you is a much longer hose. So I'm just trying to be a little bit straight to the point. So do you need the adapter kit that Home Depot sells to get it to work? No, you do not. So the kit does have the same, it attaches straight to your, straight to the back like this. So close that up. Overall, it's pretty nice. Open this up. Or there's a clip on the front and the back, open it up. Real easy. So it is a wet or dry vac. I'm just going to use it as a dry vac. But so you open up this side, push down. The latches are a little bit cheap, but it doesn't always work very nice. Just because when you pull up on it, it wants to take the top section off the bottom. So if you pull, almost gotta like push down and then pull up. But like I said, you gotta. See, when I did it before the video, it opened right up. So just pull up on it, get it up. So once you have this in there, set it up, clicks into place, and then you got plenty of room for detailing. So primarily what you get with the detailing kit is gives you a couple different adapters. Basically longer carpet type tool, crevice tool. To be honest, you're going to be using this for almost everything. It's got like a soft rubber grip, and the rest is just hard plastic. It's got a stiffer bristle brush and a softer bristle brush. This is probably going to be pretty good for more dashes and stuff you want to be a little bit more delicate on, but to be honest, I'm going to be using a lot of this with a detail factory brush to get into, like, say, the vents and stuff like that. So let me get this hooked up, and I'm just going to test it out in my car a tiny bit, see how it is. You got to have the understanding it's an $80 vac. It's not a high-end vacuum. So I'm just going to check and see if it's got enough power for what I'm looking to do for basic detailing. Maybe for the full-time detailer or mobile detailer it might be all right, but if you're going to be detailing all the time, you might want more power than this, but to be honest with you, there's only going to be so much power you can get out of a 15 amp circuit. I think the power draw on this they claim is 9 amps, so I mean you could do the math, see how many horsepower it actually is, but let's get this hooked up and try it out. I'm not going to use all the attachments for this, but in general, it's vacuum cleaner. Rigid's pretty well known for a store, I'm calling it a store brand. They're pretty good. My dad used one all the time. So I'm going to give it a shot. We'll set it up and see how it goes. Fit and finish is pretty decent on this, but once again, it's $80 vacuum. I got more than $80 in those 4 bottles alone, or 5 bottles, so let's hook it up and see how it works. Well, I feel kind of dumb. So this port here is definitely not what you want. So this will actually blow air out. This is where you need to connect. So when you are using it, you can't have that closed. The cord does fit through the other end, so when you're using it, full box can be closed up. So simple rocker switch. So I don't know. I've only used a handful of shop vacs, stuff like that, but seems like this one should be adequate for what you're doing. Obviously, if you're a pro, it may not be the best, but what I noticed when using this is this rubber on there, I thought it was more for a grip, but it's for flexibility. So that's kind of neat. It'll help you get into more tight crevices and stuff like that. But in all honesty, it works better to have a smaller area in general. So for the detailing tool, 90% of the time I'm going to be using the crevice tool, but it seems like it works pretty good. Obviously my car is hammered, but expect some full detailing videos coming up soon. Even I'm going to plan on doing a full interior and exterior detail on this car shortly. Hopefully I'm going to try to do like a 1-stage correction, then maybe put some optimum glass coat on it. But feel free to subscribe and check out the channel. Let me know what you think of this. I'm going to try to get back into putting some more videos regularly. I know I said that before, but let's see how it goes. But appreciate stopping in, checking out. Once again, I think it's a great little vac if you want something that's going to fit in your shelf, in your cabinet. And yeah, then it can be hid away, out of sight, out of mind. My long-term goal in my garage is when I'm not using it, it's in a cabinet and away, so it's not going to collect dust. So once again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.